So Maggie's Pharmacy also carries vitamin E. I'm not sure about the other shops in Memphis, but also Maggie's Pharmacy and the Broom Closet have online stores, so you can see what they have online, and that's great. Um, so yeah, a lot of these oils are aiding, moisturizing, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. So before in my previous soaps, I would just do like coconut oil, avocado oil, mineral oil, and that's basically it. And it was nice. It got me clean. But using like the stuff, because I got these from like the African spots in Memphis. I actually got this from the African place. It's on Mill Branch in Shelby Drive, I think. Don't count me. I'm not good with directions. But it's right off the expressway. And yeah, they have mango butter, cocoa butter, shea butter, all the butters. I think they even have palm kernel, or I couldn't find one. I don't know. There was one I couldn't find, but according to my recipes, I used both. Let me see. Yeah, I used mango butter, shea, castor oil, jojoba, sunflower, and coconut. So the reason sunflower oil is a little weird. I got this from Kroger. You can use sunflower oil or safflower oil, but I try to get the oils that are high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of those minerals that helps in skin repair, and even like lightening up your marks or whatever, like your hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. So it's moisturizing. It helps with skin irritation, scar reduction, and prevents aging. So like what I would do if I just have some laying around, and again I have a flare up that's really bad, I just like take some oil, do that, put it on my finger, and then put it on my eczema or whatever. And then the crazy thing is like the next day it's like scabbed over and it's like not as raw and red. So I think that's really cool. But yeah. You can also again at first I got this from Maggie's Farm, but you can get it from there. Or you can get it from like the vitamin shop or even like Kroger because they have them in like the vitamin E pills. So if you need it, don't swallow it. Just bust that thing open, put it on the mark, and just kind of keep putting it on there until it goes away. So yeah, yeah.